Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best strategy for bear market trading Binance Futures using AntBot. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can ride on this wave down. Okay, because the sentiment of crypto right now is down, guys. Okay, because we are in the bear market. I'm going to show you how you can catch this nice juicy wave down and how to profit. Better yet, we are using bot, so you can just go to sleep and let the bot do its thing for you. So you can see here how to set this up. Basically, just open a trading view and then go to BTC USDT or BTC USD, and then you want to set your candle to Heikin Ashi, guys. Okay, Heikin Ashi. Make sure you set it to Heikin Ashi. It's not normal candle. And then you want to set your indicators here. Search for EMA, which is moving average exponential, and then you want to set the settings to 200. Okay, the length is 200, and then press on OK, and make sure your style, choose the second thickness so that you can see it clearly. And you can see whenever Bitcoin price hit this 200 moving average, it tend to goes down. Okay, because anything below this 200 moving average is considered bearish. Okay, you can see it try to break the 200 moving average but rejected again. It is kind of a very strong resistance. So if you were to open short position at this time, you can make lots of money, guys. Okay, if let me zoom out a little bit, you can see we can ride a 42% down from the top here. So I'm looking at the 4 hours and daily chart only, guys. Okay, I don't look at the 15 minutes, 5 minutes because they are very noisy. So 4 hours and daily chart is what I'm looking at. So usually, okay, you can see it hit it again, try to hit it again. You can see right here, but it fails, right? So how do I open short position? When is the right time? The answer is here, guys. Okay, the answer is here. When you look at the stochastic RSI, you can go to indicator and find a stock RSI. This is the one that I'm using. You can click it or something. If you look at the settings, these are my settings. I basically don't really change the setting at all. So anything above the 80 lines, okay, is considered overbought. Okay, anything above 80 is considered overbought. So the market tends to go down because it's an overbought area. So this is kind of an indicator, guys. Okay, another tool to to make your trade more confident. Okay, more confident. So when to enter? Okay, so I'm gonna show you my entry rules. So my entry rules is when, number one, it is below the 200 moving average. So I'm only looking at short positions, guys, because the market overall is in the still bearish move. So I'm only looking at short position, and if it is below 200 moving average, I only open short position. So that's one. Two is that when I look at the RSI, it's at the overbought area. Okay, you can see the overbought area. And three, usually, okay, another confirmation is that I see the red candle. Okay, when the red candle close here, you can see this is red candle. After the green candle, there's red candle. So I'm looking to buy down, okay, to open a short position. And also the fourth one, okay, the fourth one, this is kind of subtle. You can see here the yellow or the orange line cross the blue line. Did you see that? It crossed the blue line, and then the orange line is above the blue line, guys. Okay, it's above it, it crossed it. Whereas if it want to go up, right, you can see the blue line cross the orange line. So when we want to buy down, we want to see this cross where the orange line cross the blue line. Okay, so we have three confirmation. One, below 200 moving average. Two, red candlestick. Two is red candlestick, and three is overbought area. And then number four is the crossing. Okay, the crossing. This is number four. So these all lines up. I look to buy down. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here the trade on my phone. I use the bot, you guys. Okay, I don't put manual trade. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I do the bot. I use the bot. Okay, this is called AntBot. I already make a video here. I'll put a playlist. I'll put a link down below. I will show you how to sign up for the bot, how to top up energy for the bot. And you can see here I already make a $1 profit a few minutes ago. So I'm going to show you how you can start the bot. Once you already sign up using the link down below, guys, you can go to trade and then robot. After that, you can scroll all the way down here. You can see, make sure it is futures, not spot. You can choose DCA or DCA AI. DCA AI is mostly AI technology. You cannot really set the parameters, but you know, it's good for beginners. So I will choose AI DCA for now. I'm going to click on run. So what you want to do is choose the coin first. I'm going to choose BTC USDT. So I'm going to choose this one, the coin. And then you want to choose the direction. You want to short, long, or short, which is two directions. But in this case, I'm going to choose short because I know the market is at the overbought area. And because of that, it's mostly going down. And then you can choose the leverage. I will choose 20x. Okay. After that, I will leave all the settings. And then I will go to parameter. The risk level, I will go to radical. And then max order, I will change to 5. So radical means that the price gap is close to each other, guys. Meaning, if let's say the market go against you, let's say, if instead going down, it goes up, right? The bot will buy. It will buy again. So your average price, your entry price is no longer here, guys. Where your entry price will become here because we are averaging it. Let's say if the market go against you again, it go up instead of going down, the bot will buy again. So your entry price is no longer here, it will become here. So that's what it means by order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4. So you can see later, even if the market have a green candle going up here, and then your entry price will not be here anymore. It will be around here, guys. So if the market just going down a little bit, you already take the profit here, okay? So that's what it means. So that's why I'm using this bot instead of, you know, normal trading, guys. And you can double confirm it, or you can back test it if it is positive yield, and then you can press on launch. Okay, I have a lot more detailed video here. You can watch it. And you can see here on Binance, okay, it's basically have API binding, so you can see the transaction is true, okay, it's correct with your Binance. When you take profit, you can see I already take 27 cent profit, 24 cents, 40 cents. This is just a few minutes ago, and you can double confirm it. Okay, when you look at your trade, you can click history here, and you can see all the profit that you are making, because this is a high intensity trade when you are using AntBot, and they will, you know, take profit for you. Again, guys, I'll put a link down below. You can watch these videos. I will show you how the bot works, how to sign up for the bot, how to buy the energy, as well as bonuses. You know, I will teach you more in depth, you know, how to trade profitably using Binance Futures trading combined with AntBot. Okay, we have private Telegram group. I even have a course, free YouTube course for you, teaching you how to make at least $1,000 from YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you for free after you have purchased the AntBot energy. You can just send me an email. I will have email. Okay, you can go to the description, guys. Make sure you click this link to sign up, and then you can email me everything. I will give you all the bonuses for free.